So this is exactly how to make and use a Palbox in Palworld. So the first thing we need to do is to go to technology here, and I'm just going to scroll all the way up here. So you can see on level 2, this is the Palbox that we have to unlock, of course. So once you have it unlocked, then we're going to open up the building menu here, and here's the Pal management thing. I think we have to place it on this ground here, and then we're going to build it. I'm just going to build it. It should probably be a flat surface, but this worked, I guess. So then you can see, to be able to use it, you can have the PAL management here. So you can deposit the PALs in here, and you can also have the base upgrade. So you can upgrade your base, and you can even fast travel, as you can see. And I believe you can fast travel to those places here. So to the base, which is pretty cool. But yeah, basically that is exactly how to make and use a PAL box in Palworld.